All right. While they continue to do that, let's bring back in our guest, still with us, national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, again, I want to slide away from this because I'm trying to figure out exactly what those text messages are and at what point they'll be read to the court, if at all. I'm not sure what they're doing right now. I think the defense is going over some of them to see if they have any other objections. But I want to talk to you about the state's case. It's been a bit of a slow burn, but there are a lot of charges here, so it would have to be necessarily, I think they're doing well. Talk to me about how you think they're doing and also sort of their demeanor in presenting the case.
So to the first point, I think they're doing a good job. They investigated her for years. They hate this woman. They spent years putting this thing together. Every lawyer knows that the most difficult part of any case is the financial part and putting it all together. The majority of attorneys don't really have the training to do it. They have to rely on experts, and when you get into the state, it's even more complicated. So I think they're doing a great job. They really hate this woman, but they're laying the foundation in a matter of days in this trial that they needed to lay for themselves for years. And I could assume that Eric Richins' family was behind it in the beginning of it until they got the state to say, you know what, there's there. And so now you're seeing it slowly in trial. They're taking they have to take their time because they know that the jury is comprised of professionals, plumbers, moms, dads, everything. So they're doing there. In terms of their demeanor, I wish they would have had a better mouthpiece than, an oil slicked, hair slicked, sharp attorney. Those are never the right of people to explain very, very, very esoteric concepts to juries. So I think that they're doing an okay. I would give them a C+ in terms of their courtroom demeanor. I'd give them an A, however, in the way they're presenting the evidence.